Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther and I want to show you how to make this peacock effect in Adobe Illustrator. But before we do that, if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates. First step, make sure on the fill. As you can see, this is the fill, it contains the color, and we have also a color on the stroke. So click on the stroke and click on none. So the stroke is empty here. Click on the fill again. I'm gonna choose a color. As you can see, we got some colors going on already here, and I also need to think through what colors to choose. I'm gonna go with this. Long click here where's the rectangle tool and select the ellipse tool. Press and hold Alt plus Shift, create a circle, then press Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Or you can go to the edit and paste in front. Basically this is going to create another copy on front. I'm gonna press and hold Alt plus Shift, scale it down a little, and I'm gonna make this color. Also, I'm gonna scale down the opacity of this, so I'm gonna go here to the transparency. If you don't have the transparency, go to Windows and select the transparency, which is located right here, and just bring down the opacity to 0. Okay. Now go back to the circle, press again Ctrl C, Ctrl F, scale it down a little, and select a new color. I'm gonna go with this. Again, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, scale it down. I think it was the blue. Yeah, it was the blue. I think yeah, this one is better. Ctrl C, Ctrl F. I'm gonna add, I'm gonna add this one. Okay, so basically these are the colors in here, as you can see. Now what I'm gonna do is select them all, go to Objects, Blend, and click on Make. And voila, this is the effect of this gradient. And of course, after this, you can also customize it. So it's not a gradient, basically, it's the blend. So if you want to customize this still, you can double click on this and, you can do crazy stuff. Of course, do not go too wild. You need to separate these circles in order to customize them separately. You also can bend it a little, like this, to create an oval. And also, if you are creating that oval here, you can see that the gradient starts to disappear. It's a really interesting effect. You really need to experiment with this thing. I highly recommend it. So yeah, mainly this is it. I'm gonna make this oval also. Thinking to make a little bit of this too. And of course you can customize the shape of this thing. I'm gonna click on this, go here where the pen tool is, and select the anchor point tool and click on here. You can also customize this thing. By the way, this was the direct selection tool, which you can select it right here. So yeah, mainly this was it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're new on the channel. And yeah, check out the other videos as well. Have a good one. Bye bye.